Let's try to understand what is traversal and why we need traversal, and then we will study the different types of trees available. So binary tree, ternary tree, complete tree, perfect bind tree, or there are different other types of trees which we will look into. So let's first of all understand the traversal thing. What is traversal? Traversal means visiting each and every node at least once. And why do you want to visit the nodes? Because probably you want to process them, you want to add something into it, you want to delete something from the node, you want to subtract from that node, or you want to do various other tasks. Okay, or simply you want to get the value of a particular node and use it somewhere. Okay, so in that order, if we can visit all the nodes, then we can visit any node also. So that is traversal. What is visiting each node of a tree once? See, when we were studying linked list, in linked list the problem is simplicity is we can visit the node in one direction because it is in linear form. But in tree we do not have linear form. See, for example, if I take a binary tree is one which is having maximum 2 children of each node. Okay, so let me take one simple binary tree. Let's say this is a binary tree. Now, as you know that we can visit only in downward direction. So if we come in the downward direction by traversing this path, for example from 1 to 3, then 7, then 8, I cannot go back because from 7 to 8 I can have a path, from 8 to 7 I do not have any path unless I am not using recursion, which we will go back to the calling function. We cannot go back. Okay, so how can we visit the other nodes of the tree? Just visiting one path is similar to visiting a linear linked list. But here it is not linear, it is hierarchical form or it is non-linear in nature. So that's why we should have some way, some standard that how to visit the node. Because see, why standard is needed? Someone may say, sir, I can say 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9. This is the way all the nodes are visited. I can write this output also because I can find out the pattern in it. But the problem is this pattern which you have developed may not be standard, which is not known to you, known to others. So we should have some standard in which we should visit the nodes, and that standard is, let's say, the most popular standards in which we will visit all the nodes are, first of all, pre-order, then in order, and the post order. There are more ways also in which we can visit the tree, but then these are the most popular ones. So pre-order means, first of all, so pre means pehle. So first of all you have to visit the root because you are starting from the root only. So first of all visit the root and then left and right. This is pre-order. First of all visit the root, then left, then right. See here, always I will have the starting node as the root node. So when I will come to 1, that is a root, yes. So I have visited 1 as the root. Now after visiting the root I have to go to left. So I will go to left part. So this is my left. So this left is again becomes a root for the current subtree. So I will output 2. Then do we have another left to this root? So we will go to the 4th node. So we will write 4 here. Then do we have left of 4? No. Do we have after left where we are going? Right. Do we have right here? No. So we cannot go left or right. Now we have to go back by using our recursion technique. So we will go to 2. After going to 2, do we have right? Because the left part is already explored. So we will not go to left part anymore. We are assuming that when we are coming back to a node, then the left part of that is already explored. So we will come back to 2. 2 is already explored. So we do not have to write 2 again. Now we will go to the right part. Is this right part is a root right now? Yes. This is a root for its subtree. So write down 5. Now do we have left part of it? Yes. So in the root left and right, first of all we have visited the root, which is the 5 right now of our current subtree. Then we will visit the left part, that is 6. Then when we come back to when we are at 6, we do not have left or right part. Then we go back to 6 and then we go back to 5. Do we have right part of 5? No. So we do not have to visit right part because it is null right now. Then we go back to 2. Is 2 visited? Yes. Then we do not have to visit again. Then we go back to 1. Is 1 visited? Yes. Then we go to the right of 1 because the left part of 1 is fully explored. Then we go to the left part or right part of it. So when we go to the right part, first node which we encounter will become the root of the current subtree. So it is 3. So write down 3 here. Then do we have left of 3? No. Then if the left is not present, then we go to the right part. Because root is explored, left is explored, so go to right part. Now when we go to the right part, then we have seen the 7. Now 7 is the root of this current subtree. So write 7 here. Then after that, after exploring 7, do we have left? Yes. So write 8. After exploring 8, do we have left or right? No. Then we go back to 7. At 7 we have right also. Then we write right. At 9 we do not have left or right. Then we come back to 7. 7 is already explored. Then we come back to 3. 3 is already explored. Then we come back to 1, which is already explored. And finally above 1 we do not have anything. So this is our pre-order. This is our pre-order of a tree. So here what we have done is root, left and right. Similarly in order, in means in between. Okay, so root will come in between. So first of all we have to visit left, then root, then right. This is the way we will visit the nodes. So let's try to write the in order of this. So first of all we will start from 1 only. We will start from 1. Is 1 left? No. We have more left to 1. So first of all we will go to the left of it. So we went to 2. Is 2 finally left? No. First of all we have to visit the left part. So is 2 a final left? No. We have more left to 2. So we went to 4. Is 4 final left? Yes, because left of it we do not have anything. So first of all we will write 4 as our output. Now left is explored. We do not have right now. We will go back to 2. Now after visiting left, what we have to write? Root. Before visiting right, we have to write root. So first of all this 2 will become root. So which we will write 2 as the root. Do we have right of root? Yes. We come to 5. Do we have this 5 is the leftmost one? No. We have more left to 5. So we come to 6. Then we have written 6 here. Then we go back to 5. Now left part of 5 is visited. Before going to the right part we have to write the root. So we have to write 5 here. Then do we have right part? No. Then we go back to 2. 2 is already visited. Then we go back to 1. 1 is the root of which the whole left part is visited. So when you have visited the whole left part, then you have to write the root part. So write 1. Now, since you have visited this whole part, see, you have visited this whole part. Now you have to go to the right side. So go to the right side. This 3 is the right side. This 3 is final left. Yes. Right now there is no left of 3. Or do we have? No, we do not have any left of 3. So we will write 3 as a root, not as a left or right. Now we go to 7. Do we have 7 left? Yes. So we go to 8. Now is 8 the leftmost of that subtree? Yes, because we do not have left of anything of this 8. So we write 8. Then we go back to 7. So 7 is a root of which whole left is visited. So we write 7 as a root. Then we have right, and this right, which is 9, we do not have any left. So we write 9 as a root, not as a left or right, as a root. And do we have right of 9? No. Then we go back to 7. Now 7 is already visited. Then we go back to 3, which is already visited. Then we go back to 1, which is already visited. Now the whole tree is visited, and this is our in order. Okay. Lastly, we have post order. In post order, we visit the root at the last. Okay. So we have first of all left, then right, and then root. So first of all we will visit the left part, then right part, then lastly we will visit the root part. See here. Let's try to explore this. First of all, I'll try to clean this mess. Now let's see this. We are starting from 1, which is root. What we have to visit first? Left part. So we have left, we went to 2. What we have to visit first? Left part. We have left, we went to 4. Do we have left now? No. After visiting left, we have to visit the right part. Do we have anything in right of 4? No. Then we will write 4 as the last value, which is root. Now after this, we come back to 2. Now the left of 2 is visited, we have to visit the right of 2. So at the right of 2, we have 5. Do we have left of 5? Yes. So first of all, we have to visit the 6, which is left. So we will write 6 because we do not have left or right of 6. So we will write 6 as the root. After this, when we come back to 5, do we have right of 5? No. We do not have any right of 5. So we come back to 5 again, and then we visit 5. Then we come back to 2. Now the left part of 2 is visited, right part of 2 is visited, and lastly we have to visit the root, which is 2. Then we come back to 1. The left part of 1 is already visited now. We have to go to the right part. So we come to 3. Without visiting 1, which is a root node, which we will visit at the end, we will come to the right part, that is 3. Now 3 is visited. Do we have left of 3? We do not have any left of 3. So we have visited 3, but left is not available. So we go to the right part. Do we have left of 7? Yes. So we will go to 8 and we finally visit it because we do not have left or right of 8. Then we come back to 7. Do we have right of 7? So we will visit that right. Only single node is present, then we do not have to worry about it. We will just process it. If we have subtree, that is, if we have more nodes of 9, then we come to 9 and then visit left of it. Okay, this is how we are doing. Now, when we come back to 7, then 7 is the root node of which left is visited, right is visited, then we have to process the root. After that, we come to 3. Now, the 3 node, the node number 3 is a root node of which left is null, right is visited, then we visit the 3. And finally, when we come to 1, we will visit 1, of which left is visited, right is visited, and 1 is root node. And above 1, we do not have anything. So this is our pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Okay, this is how we write in-order, pre-order, post-order.